monkey on the shelf with this guy. What?
Are you
Until my headset
ready?
dies.
Today we're doing Monkey on the Shelf Part 2. You know, what do you delete first?
What should I delete? I delete this.
Okay. Thank God. So guys,
I'm
I'm
trying to.
for my mom's, and the headset over there is kind of buggy, guys. So I'm lucky I have a bunch of. I wouldn't be uploading for like a week or two. What do you delete?
Silly monkey. I delete this.
Cool. I'm going through the same route again. No, I don't even remember which route I went from because I'm just doing stuff, you know.
This is very. I delete this. That's gonna get.
I really want to.
People think
this.
People
This
think.
is gonna make me lose.
People think we're not allowed to delete this. But come on. It's our game.
You can't delete the walls.
I delete the shelf. Ow! Ah! I delete the shelf.
I'm gonna do it again because why not?
Wait, I didn't even. Okay, anyways,
Yo, is this possible? It is.
okay.
What are you deleting next?
This, the stair. Don't ask why I did that.
I just keep on doing it, you know. I just... Oops, I did it again.
Copyright.
I delete that.
I delete everything. Okay. I delete everything.
Even the air.
Yup, I delete
Even
air.
the air.
You're out. I win. Okay, I delete.
Okay. Fine, that was fair and square. Okay, I delete.
Oh, okay.
I delete this.
What do you delete? What are you doing?
I delete.
This.
That.
Yeah, silly monkey.
Woo! Woo! I'm a skilled monkey. Instead of scribbles, my name is Scribble. Skip. You gotta get this around over with. What do you delete next?
I delete this clip.
Out of anything in the world. Stop. Go away.
Hey, chill, bro, chill.
Anyways,
Just over here with
Alright.
3 hands. Go away. Go away. You're about to hit my chair. Calm down. Look, you might want to scoot back a little bit. Let me help.
I hope I hit it.
There.
Ah! That's your fault. Go away.
The bunny.
Stop.
Alright, I delete the first wall. I delete the first wall.
Which one? That one?
This. This one.
That's good.
That one? I wasn't looking.
No.
Okay.
You saw what I did.
I'm sorry.
I deleted this.
Whoa. Wow. How do you guys do this? I'm gonna put.
My turn.
Headset's gonna die in the middle of the round. I think I have to end it. Wait, if my headset. Bye. Bye, guys.
No.
We have to go. I